The relationship of this project to science and its links to Tafariki. This project links to strengths of well-being, belonging, and contribution. With the strengths of well-being, children develop understanding of the environment and help fosters their curiosity. They also understand how nature should also be treated with respect, like how other living things are treated with respect. With the strength of belonging, it builds knowledge about the natural and physical world, therefore allows children to share those with their family and community. With the strengths of contribution, children are able to participate actively and build inquiries which would therefore help develop their confidence in offering their ideas and understanding about the activity that they are doing and help their peers along during the activity.